Hi everybody and welcome. I'm Gary from Climb Channel Solutions.
And I'm Paul from Virtuozzo.
So we look forward to having you join us for a series of very short videos where we're going to be exploring the cloud and what it means to all of us in our everyday lives, how we come across the cloud and what it means in business. So I guess the first point to just kind of touch on there when we're talking about exploring the cloud is, Paul, in the market today, what really are we talking about when we're thinking about cloud and talking about cloud?
Do you know, it's such a simple question, but ever since cloud broke into the market in 2007, when Amazon launched its cloud service, a lot of people have got different ideas about what cloud is. Basic level, it's a way to off-host any application, any systems you're actually running, and let somebody else do that. Back in 2007, it was more expensive and it was less performant than you could do in your data center. So why would people use that? So we're going to explore some of those questions about why organizations choose to use cloud, but choose to build their own cloud as well. So it's an interesting concept now. We're moving away from pure data center operations to this kind of hybrid model, cloud and data center.
Thanks, Alan. I guess one of the terms you also hear every day now is we hear this term hyperscaler. So maybe you could just touch on what that really means to us in the real world.
Yeah, I've mentioned one of them already. So hyperscaler is a phrase that's used to describe these huge organizations, huge behemoths with these massive data centers that are offering themselves as cloud services. The obvious ones are Amazon Web Services, Microsoft Azure, Google, GCP, Google Cloud Platform, Alibaba, and so on. These are the companies that sort of fit out a data center with 50,000 servers minimum at a time. You know, it's a huge investment, but people can take services from them, but you end up in this very, very kind of homogenous building block approach, which doesn't necessarily suit everyone. You know, it's great for what they do, but hopefully we're going to explore some of the pros and cons and what the alternatives are as well.
And that's a very important point when we talk about there. We talk about alternative. And I guess for a business today, it's really being able to really stay relevant in the market today and offer that alternative to their customers so they can take something different, and they know that they've got options out there.
Yeah, we've been through several waves of cloud adoption over the past roughly 15 years, and now the cloud market has matured massively, and there's a lot of additional companies out there offering alternative, if you like, solutions and options. And you touched on the key point, Gary, it's about relevance. How do organizations stay relevant in using the cloud? A lot of organizations that I talk with, they're looking for that differentiation, looking to do something different, something that will attract their customers to them more than, you know, going with this, quite kind of rigid approach from some of the hyperscalers.
Thanks, that's really good. So I guess, folks, what we're saying is, join us on our journey in this series of videos, learn and join us on our journey to talk about cloud, learn about cloud, and understand what the options are out there, how Climb plays a part in cloud, and how Virtuozzo plays a part in the cloud world. And next time we'll be talking a little bit more and diving a little bit deeper just into what Virtuozzo actually is and what it actually brings to the world of cloud.